In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change an image on Hover in Wix. Now, whether you're new to Wix or just looking to add a bit more interactivity to your site, this process is straightforward, and I'm here to guide you every step of the way. First things first, you'll want to log into your Wix account. Once you've done that, head over to your website editor. This is where all the magic happens, allowing you to customize your site to your heart's content. Now, with the editor open, focus on the left-hand side of your screen. You should see a toolbar there. Click on Add Elements. This will open up a variety of options for you to enhance your site. Since we're focusing on images today, go ahead and choose Button and then find Image Button within those options. The Image button essentially serves as a container for the images you want to have on your site, allowing you to easily swap them out based on user interaction like hovering. Once you've selected your button, click on it. You should see an option that says Change Image. Selecting this will allow you to modify the image that appears under different conditions, regularly, on hover, and on click. I'll show you how to do all that here today. To change the image, click on Change Image, and then a prompt will appear for Upload Media. This is where you can either drag and drop your image files or upload them directly from your computer. If, like me, you've already prepared your images, you can choose one from there simply by selecting Apply when you're ready. Next up, let's set up the hover image. You're going to toggle the option to change the hover image, and here you'll repeat the same procedure as before. If you want your click image to be different from your hover and regular images, you can adjust that here too. However, for demonstration purposes today, I'm opting to leave the click image the same as the others. Once you've got everything set to your liking, it's time to test it out. You want to ensure your changes achieve the desired effect, so click on Preview. As you navigate to the area you've edited, pay close attention as you hover over the image. You should see it change right before your eyes, just as you configured it. Pretty cool, right? And that's it. That's how you seamlessly change an image on Hover using Wix. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this one. Remember, the more interactive your site is, the more engaging it becomes for your visitors. See you in the next tutorial.